What's up, y'all? As you can see here in this box, the Yeezy 500. Alright, this just dropped. First we're going to do an unboxing to show you guys what the shoes look like. Then I'm going to tell you guys how you can get some Yeezys, the strategies I used, and other ways that I've obtained Yeezys, okay? Alright, let's get it! Alright, you guys, so the Yeezy 500, it is here. It was released Saturday. Alright, so let's talk about the material right quick. It feels good on the outside. Now the sole, on the other hand, feels a little tough, but I'll do an on-feet review. If you follow me on Instagram at ThebrandonLeeCook, you'll see some on-feet, what it looks like, some cool pics with it. Now, about how I obtained these Yeezys. It was a difficult process, but not really. So what I did was I had my I had Safari, I have a MacBook. Okay, so I have an Apple product. So I had Safari open on one tab, I had Google Chrome on the other tab. I went to adidas.com/Yeezy 10 minutes before the release time, and I was put in the waiting room. During the time in the waiting room, you keep it you keep it up. You do not let it refresh, you don't cut it off. You have your computer open. The funny part about that is, while I had those two windows open, I actually got into it on my phone. But basically my point here is, you just can never have too many options. If you have a girlfriend that can have her computer open and she can be on the website while in the waiting room, if you can have friends that know you want the shoe, same way. Any way that you can get in the website would help you out. Another thing that helped me out, so I have the Adidas app. So it tells you all the shoes that are going to be released. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it says Yeezy 500, okay, April 11th. All right, and so what you can do is you can reserve a pair at a particular store. You can do that. Another option is you can go to YEEZYSupply.com. Another option is to follow like Yeezy Mafia. They post the shoes. Just some ideas. Shout out to my boy Tim. I'll leave his Instagram below. He told me some of these tips actually, which helped me out in the end. Also, if you cannot get into the waiting list, if you cannot get into the waiting room and get like the pair of shoes that release on that date, there's a company called StockX. Yeah, they have the authentic shoes. You can sell your shoes, you can buy your shoes. StockX is a cool company, and they do all the certifications to make sure that you have an authentic pair of shoes. Also, another thing is, apparently on Google Chrome, you can make multiple profiles so that you can have multiple options of getting that shoe released. So there will be multiple Yeezys dropping soon, and it'll give you plenty of opportunities to get a pair. If you have any questions, send me a DM on Instagram. All right, get at me, bro. Like, comment, subscribe. We out here, yeah.